Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Apple Pay when holds near reader. It's not working.
Fix 1. Check NFC and device settings. Step 1. Make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch has NFC enabled. Step 2. Go to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay and ensure Apple Pay is active. Step 3. Restart your device and try again. Fix 2. Update iOS/watchOS. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Step 2. Install any pending updates. Step 3. Retry Apple Pay after update. Fix 3. Check payment card and region. Step 1. Open wallet and select your card. Step 2. Make sure it's active and hasn't expired. Step 3. Confirm Apple Pay is supported in your region. Fix 4. Reset network and NFC settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset network settings. Step 2. Reboot device and try Apple Pay again.